Hello guys, welcome to Manila Grill. Ngayon sa Holy Week, nandito kami kasi nala kami ni Angie at gutom na siya at sasalita ng kanyang Chan. Hi Chan, how you doing Chan?
Good.
Are you okay? Just wait for our food. Yeah. Peace muna sa soft drinks kasi Holy Week. Let's go have fish.
Ano kasi ako mahilig ako sa suka. Kasi yung suka dati na dito mali konti lang.
Yeah, I'll ask for
Oo, sige, salamat.
Yeah. So, fish na lang muna tayo. Walang karne. And we'll just have our meat on the weekend. Actually, it's Sunday because it's Easter Sunday. So, dito tayo sa Northwest Edmonton, dito sa Manila Grill Express. Gutom na. So, ngayon, walang tao. So, mga tao siguro ay getting ready for the Holy Week kaya walang kumakain masyado. And this is how the place looks like, guys. It's okay. Go ahead. Yeah. Ayun, seafood platter nila. No meat. Yeah, it's for Christian. Yeah, it's okay. Thank you. Okay, salamat. So we got the sinigang pampano and we have seafood here, guys. So yung seafood natin.
Please, if you want to put your shells or
Sure. Yeah. So we got shrimp. We got what do you call that, love? Mussels, squid, and siguro ito tanggingi or I don't know. So tikman natin, guys, ang masarap na pagkain this Holy Week. So today is Thursday and tomorrow is Good Friday. So bukas mamamatay ang Diyos but we start eating only seafoods this Holy Week, guys. Wala muna tayong meat. Ito lagi lang. Yan. Yan. Gutom na kami. Ipapesto ko na lang itong ating cellphone habang kumakain tayo, guys. Ay, kain muna tayo, guys. Ngayon, titikman ko ng isda. Anong lasa? Sarap. Kaya lang mahirap kumain with the cellphone. Hindi siyang kumakain ng kanyang sinigang. So, I'll just look for a good spot para makita ko saan tayo. Paano tayo kumain sa dali. Sana. Yun lang. Did you watch Bayo Aruga? Good. Mas maganda ba yan sa Bayo?
Haven't seen
Hindi, gabawang kamay na lang.
Siguro
Pero nakita ko pa sa sumiyo. Sana hindi lang nila i-follow.
Hinihilig ka. Good ka. Sabi din siyang sweet.
That's it.
So guys, tapos na kami kumain. And we only got fish left. May konting squid. Then, ito kinuha mo lab, leche plan. Yeah, I got leche plan here for dessert. So, nabusog kami guys. But tomorrow, they'll be closing because it's Good Friday. Christian naman nagustuhan. Pero si Angie nagustuhan niya. So, ito ngayon ang titirahin natin ang dessert. Since on diet tayo, kahit tayo ng konting dessert lang, titikman lang natin guys. You can still have leche plan guys. Leche plan chan. After you eat your sinigang. I think kami ng last course somewhere for tonight guys. And it's almost close to 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock na lab? O close sila? Almost close to 8 o'clock. Kakain na tayo ng leche plan, and after that, si Christian tinatapos na yung pagkain niya and off we go.
Okay.
Malaki pa rin leche plan ko lang. Ayun pa din. Tignan natin leche plan.
Kasi?
Tignan natin if it's similar to your leche plan. How's it, love? How's it? Good? Okay, tikman natin. Sarap. Naiwas ako sa kanin. Titira naman tayo ng leche plan. Okay. This will be after 8 onwards wala nang kakainin. How do you find it, love? Sarap? Sarap. Ang sweets kasi kahit konti-kontiin mo lang, minsan may end up ka kumain ng madami kasi sobrang sarap. May kondensado, no, love? How is it, Chan? It's good, right? Okay guys, tapos na tayo kumain. Magbabayad ng si Mrs. at 8 o'clock na guys. And after that, we're going home since it's Holy Week today, and mas maganda lang guys na sa bahay at magnilay-nilay. Okay, till next time guys, don't forget my vlog, Prince Poppy's vlog. Bye bye guys and peace out.